one more time. 1, 2, 3. What's up? This is Ed Sheeran's new song, The A-Team. I don't really know it just yet, but I'm digging the message and the vibe, so I learned a little verse chorus of it. Hope you guys like it. Don't judge me too hard. 1, 2, 3, 4. White lips, pale face, breathing in the snowflakes, burn lungs, it's a sour taste. The light's gone, days in, struggling to pay rent, the long nights and strange men. And they say she's in the class 18, stuck in her daydream. Been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sinking, wasting, crumbling like pastries. And they scream the worst things in life come free to us, 'cause we're just under the upper hand. A gold mad for a couple grams, and she don't wanna go outside tonight, 'cause in the pipe she flies to the motherland, or sells love to another man. It's too cold outside.